Okay, we're going to take a look in exercise 16.1. We're going to look at number 7. Here we go. A machine can be leased for 4 years at $1,000 per month, payable at the beginning of each month, or it can be purchased for $45,000 and sold for $5,000 after 4 years. Should the machine be purchased or leased if the firm's cost of borrowing, so the first one is 6.6% compounded monthly. So you basically want to choose the one that has the lowest present value, the least cost. So you can look at the lease, and this is just something we've done in previous chapters. So it's leased for 4 years at $1,000 per month. So $1,000 is the payment. It's 4 years and it's monthly payments. So it's 4 times 12. It's at the beginning of each month. So we have to set your calculator to beginning mode. This relates to the purchase here, and then we have the interest rate at 6.6%. So the solution I have posted shows what we do formula-wise. We work out the present value of the lease, and you work out the present value of the purchase. I'm also posting the solution, here we go, by calculator. Now I'm only posting just part A. You can do the exact same steps for part B with a different interest rate. So again, when we read through the problem, we know it was beginning mode. It said 4 years at monthly, so 4 years for times 12, which was 48, which was our N. The payment was $1,000 per month, payable at the beginning of each month, so that's where we got our beginning mode. Then it was about the purchase, and then they gave us the interest rate of 6.6% compounded monthly, so that's 12. You enter 0 for the future value, and you compute the present value. So right now it's $42,317. Now the purchase, if I go back to the question here, the purchase, it can be purchased for $45,000 now and then sold for $5,000 after 4 years, where the $45,000 is already in its present value form. So we have to look at then, we're going to spend $45,000 now, but in 5 years we'll get, in 4 years we'll get $5,000 back. So what is the present value of that $5,000? So again, the future value is $5,000, and this is assuming here we've just done this, so this is still in our calculator. So everything stays the same except for a future value is now $5,000, and we're going to make our payment 0. We're going to get rid of the payment, and we're going to have our future value at $5,000, and we're going to compute our present value, which is $38.42. So therefore, to purchase it, we're going to spend $45,000 now, but we're going to get $38.42 back, which is $41,158. So the lower cost alternative is purchase. And if we look here, they've done them by using the formulas. But again, it's the machine should be purchased, since the current economic value of the lifetime cost is $1,160 less than if the machine is leased. So you want to go with the least cost alternative.